By 2030, Vechain estimates that costs will range between 0.082899 and 0.156586. Except for veterinarians, market investigators could reach 0.064477 by 2025. Bearish, the Vechain market cost is expected to be 0.014738 in 2023. The Vechain vet presentation sends it off to relatively humble beginnings. In 2015, the Vechain network expanded and is fast gaining worldwide attention. Currently, more than 30 Fortune 500 firms, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault, run real arrangements on Vechain. This Vechain cost expectation guide will keep you up to date on all you need to know. Continue reading to discover what Vechain is, from its highlights to specialist research, verifiable information, value requirements, and that's just the beginning. What is Vechain is a self-created blockchain stage task to help store network executives and smooth up commercial procedures. The stage was founded in 2015 by Radiant Liu, a former Louis Vuitton CIO. Although the VET token was initially only available in China as a component of the Ethereum network, the organizers have a few loftier goals in mind for 2018. Vechain completely rebranded itself and switched to its own public blockchain, the Chanter, completely switching its VEN tokens over to that as well as adding the Vechain gas token, though it has since developed into a venture-centered multi-coin IoT and store network, the board biological system, and has effectively settled a significant client base with the assistance of distributed record innovation DLT. The stage can organize and smooth out data streams for complex stockpiling chains. It makes use of two key tokens. As Prevention's white paper, Vechain Energy, a savvy contract layer, and Vechain token or VET for conveying esteem across the framework. The two-token framework was designed to have a dependable model for decentralized application engineers and ensure powerful administration. The Vechain white paper frames the stage's fundamental point, which is to make information simple and noteworthy. It also expects to be an IoT web of things go-between and ahead of beginning coin contributions made utilizing Vechain. Vechain is currently worth $0.018422 and has moved 0.90 as of now, with a trading volume of 37,500,810. Using the general strength list RSI moving weighted normal MWA, Vechain is now ranked 37th among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $1,427,364,214. A Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness marked from the graph above can be used to determine cost designs for Vechain VETs to conclude if we are experiencing a bullish or negative year. Market information and other information is updated in real time on our website, allowing us to provide dynamic cost projections based on current market activity. That value expectation chain 2023 from certain views, Vechain is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, with the VET cost gauge for 2023 anticipating a significant increase in the year's final portion, maybe reaching 0.027634. Similarly to other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, but no significant drops are expected, averaging 0.025792, and cost is very aggressive. Yet it is expected to be practical soon given expected joint efforts and progressions, then is expected to have a base worth of 0.022108 Vechain. That value expectation 2024 of every 2024 Vechain VET cost expectation has a lot of space for extension because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives however. We should wait to see if the VET's overall strength file breaks out of the oversold zone before making any positive predictions. Wagers based on market volatility that will trade with a basic exchange cost of 0.036846 and a typical exchange cost of 0.040530. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, Vechain's value projection is 2025. It might reach 0.064480, which could benefit if the market experiences a downturn. The goal is to trade at a typical cost of 0.058953 and a low of 0.055269 between 2025 and 2025. In the event that Vechain effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Vechain cost could stay stable for the next 5 years according to our projections that will be green in 2026. The VET is expected to reach and outperform its unrivaled high in 2026. The virtual currency will be worth 0.082903 in 2026, with a base cost of 0.073692 and a typical cost of 0.077376. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we estimate the VET cost to cross a normal value level of $0.0957199 by 2027. With a base cost of 0.092115 anticipated before the year's end and a most extreme value worth of 0.101326. In the event that VET figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum cost of 0.119749. Failure to get the necessary assistance by 2028 might result in a low of 0.110538. While attempting to achieve interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the previous year is expected to continue, so the base exchange cost has been set at 0.128961 and a yearly cost close to 0.138172. In 2029, Vechain Bet Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Vechain will finally outperform its previous values and set new cost thresholds. The starting point may be 0.147383, with a maximum value of 0.156595, averaging out to 0.151068. Vechain's expected value in 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many reasons why cost determining is a difficult undertaking. We make an honest effort to forecast future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts should not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own examination in 2031. We anticipate that digital currency should have acquired acceptance across numerous areas, and thus the most extreme VET cost in 2031 is: Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people